finding your calm during the festive season. Before we begin, find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably, perhaps with a blanket over your lap and a soft light nearby. Now, if there are any other people with you today, maybe let them know that you'll be having some you time to yourself for the next 20 minutes or so. This guided meditation is to help you find your calm during a busy and potentially stressful time, allowing you to keep on doing without complete burnout. Welcome to the Body and Mind Center, the place where I offer wellness, movement and mindfulness. I'm Lindsay, your host, and I'm here to take you through this guided meditation today. If you'd like to come and connect with me personally, feel free to come find me on our social media channels or subscribe to my website. So let's get you settled in. I invite you to close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air, fill your lungs, expand your belly and your chest. Exhale softly, letting the air leave your body, feeling your shoulders drop and your body begin to relax. Again, breathe in, slow, steady, filling up with fresh, cool air. And breathe out, releasing any tension you might be carrying. With each breath, let any weight you're holding simply melt away. Allow your hands, feet and neck to soften, unclenching from whatever they've held on to up to today's practice. Bring your attention to the sounds around you. Perhaps you hear the distant hum of the television. Maybe the children are playing, or the faint clink of the dishes in the kitchen. Maybe you notice the gentle ticking of a clock, or even the quiet hum of appliances. Rather than be distracted by these sounds, simply acknowledge them and let them be part of your meditation. Signs of a home full of life and love. Now notice the feeling of where your body meets the chair or the bed. The fabric beneath your skin, the temperature in the room, the way your clothing rests on your body. Allow yourself to feel completely supported, safe and at ease. The Christmas season continues to ramp up. Your list of things to do may feel endless. There's presents to wrap, food to cook, family to visit, traditions to uphold. Imagine all these tasks as little parcels stacked neatly in your lap. It's time to set them aside just for a few moments. I want you to breathe in, and as you exhale, picture yourself setting each parcel aside just for now, and then repeat this activity, and with every breath out, place another one down. I want you to remind yourself, for these moments, I am allowed to rest. Everything else can wait until I'm ready. Let that pressure release from your mind and your body. And just know that you are doing a great job. You're a Christmas hero, and that your presence is the greatest gift of all. Now let's bring your focus to your heart area. Maybe you'd like to place a hand over your chest if that feels comfortable. Begin to bring your mind to one thing you are grateful for this Christmas season. It might be the laughter of your children, the comfort of your cozy home, a kind gesture from a friend, or just the warmth of your cup of tea. Whatever it is, let that feeling of gratitude really grow in your chest, spreading warmth across your body like a soft, thick jumper. I'd like to give you a few moments to think of at least 4 more things that you are grateful for, small or large, and allow yourself to really savour it, realising that even in busy times, moments of joy and connections are always there, waiting to be noticed. I want you to remind yourself that it's not only acceptable to pause, it's essential. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It makes everything else possible because none of us can pour from an empty cup. Picture yourself as the heart of your home, a steady source of warmth. And in order to keep giving out warmth, you need to stoke your own fire. Repeat to yourself, either in your mind or softly aloud, I give myself permission to rest. Say that again with me. I give myself permission to rest. I am worthy of this time. Let's say that again. I am worthy of this time. I am doing my best, and that is enough. Let's definitely say that one again. I am doing my best, and that is enough. Now imagine yourself moving through the coming days with a sense of calm and presence. See yourself wrapping gifts slowly, enjoying the texture of the paper and the ribbon. Maybe you even have your favourite songs or movie on in the background. Now picture yourself laughing with your family. Maybe you're playing games, sitting down to a festive meal, or simply enjoying a moment of peace with a hot drink wrapped in your favourite blanket. See the smiles of your loved ones. Feel the hugs. Hear that laughter. Notice that your Christmas does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be real, shared, and filled with the love that you already bring. Now, if worries do arise about things left undone, or about expectations or obligations, then imagine those worries as snowflakes falling from the sky. Simply watch as they land and melt away, one by one. You don't need to catch them, just let them fall. Accept that it's alright for some things to be imperfect, for plans to change, for you to say no or not yet, especially when you need to. You are allowed to set boundaries and to look after your own well-being. Your calm and your contentment are just as important as anyone else's, so don't you forget it. I'm going to give you a few more moments just to sit and be present and enjoy this calm space. It's time to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice once more the feeling of your body, the sounds around you, the air against your skin. Take another deep, nourishing breath in, and then out again. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Then progress onto your limbs. Maybe even have a little stretch. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now take a moment before you move to notice how you feel. Perhaps you feel a bit lighter, more grounded, or just a touch more peaceful. Remember, you can return to this place of calm whenever you need to, even if only for a few breaths. As you continue through this festive season, carry with you the knowledge that you are enough, that your efforts are appreciated, even if you're not often told, and that you are deeply, deeply loved. Please feel free to return to this meditation as often as you need to. And never forget, Christmas is about the gift of presents, not presents. Not just for your family, but for yourself as well. Wishing you a gentle, joyful, and fulfilling Christmas. And please do share this meditation with all your mum friends, because you never know who else might need it. Until next time.